In front of me is the tablet 5G, and today I would like to show you how you can switch on and use voice typing. Begin by launching your keyboard. Then click on the microphone icon at the top right corner of it. If it's not visible, just like in my case, click on this gear instead. Select the voice typing and use gray switcher next to it to activate it. Then go back to your keyboard and click on Now Visible Microphone. Select while using the app in the pop-up and start typing. As you can see, voice typing is on. If you want to stop, tap on the same microphone again. If you want to go back to your standard keyboard, use this keyboard icon next to the microphone one. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!